Hello, this is Dental Delivery System 101. Okay, I'm pretty sure everybody understand the basic, but I just want to show you guys how I did it, how I developed this system for the mobile clinic. So if you look at this part, that's where the compressor is. On the compressor, you're supposed to have an air filter to filter out whatever dirty air is before it goes into your mouth, and also this pressure regulator. Okay, so we reduce the pressure to 40 to 60 psig. Psig stand for pound square inch, and the G is for gauge. So the pressure is indicated on the gauge instead of compared to the atmosphere pressure. Okay, so once this pressure connect to the main box, the main box is the black box with the yellow lid on the top. So once it goes into the main box, and immediately is split into two way. Okay, one air goes into the water bottle here, the other one split into four for the satellite box. Okay, so let's look into this water bottle. So the water bottle is pressurized by the compressor, so it's pressurized, and then as you can see inside the water, it will goes out from this blue line. So in this water bottle you have two things in there. So one supply for the air, pressurize the water bottle, and the other one is like your straw, and the water coming out from the straw and going out. So one thing you have to make sure is this straw has to be all the way in the bottom of the water bottle, so the water can reach to the straw. Okay, this pressure gauge shows the pressure inside the water bottle. Okay, before you open this water bottle to refill the water, make sure you have to release the pressure inside instead of just open it right away and let the pressure come out. It might pop or hurt anybody surround you. So make sure there's a pressure relief button or a lever. Make sure you relieve the pressure before you open the bottle. And there's a overall water control. This control the overall water coming out of the water bottle and supply the 4 satellite box. Okay, so that's the basic water bottle. So let's look into this satellite box. So basically, for this satellite box, you have two things going in. One line is for the water, pressurized water. The other line is for the air. Okay, so if you look inside here, once the water reach the satellite box, immediately it's split into two. There's a T here, split into two. One goes to your water air syringe, the other one it goes to the water valve. Okay, that's pretty simple. For you need water for your water air syringe, and the other one's for your water valve, where you control the volume of the water. Okay, the other line is the pressurized air. The air goes into the satellite box. Immediately it's split into two. Also, the air goes to your air water syringe, and the other line it goes to your foot pedal. So that's where you use your foot pedal to control the pressure going into your handpiece. So you guys all know the harder you push on the pedal, then the more air goes into your handpiece, therefore it spins faster. Okay, so once they go out of your foot pedal, it goes to this three-way valve. That's the switch. You switch between your high speed and slow speed. So if you direct the air pressure going up, which select your high speed, and if you're going down, it's select your slow speed. So that's your handpiece switch between up and down for your slow and high speed. If you switch to your high speed, and you see here there's another T connection. is split it into two for two air. One air, of course, support for your high speed, so your high speed will turn. The other one will activate this water valve, so the water coming from the water bottle will go through this valve and go into this high speed. So your high speed has this pressurized air and also your water coming out. And there's another T over here. It didn't draw it out. It's the T split for the turning speed and also water and the small water mix. So when you turn your high speed, you will have this misty feeling. So there's a T over here supply for the air also, which I didn't draw. Okay, so whenever you press your foot pedal, the air going in and activate the water valve, so the water will go through and supply for your high speed. Okay, and this water valve, you can turn wide open, so you have more water going in, or you close it so you don't have any water. Okay, so that's the basic piping diagram for your delivery system. The same thing, exactly the same layout for 04. Okay.